Growing a sustainable herb garden at home. Welcome to Plant Care, where we explore sustainable gardening practices to help you grow a thriving herb garden at home. In this video, we will dive into space-efficient designs, eco-friendly fertilizers, and the benefits of organic herbs. Stay tuned for practical tips on preserving and storing fresh herbs, as well as inspiring DIY garden ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable content on sustainable plant care. Let's get growing. Planning a space-efficient herb garden for small living areas. In planning a space-efficient herb garden for small living areas, it's crucial to consider the versatility of wall-mounted planters. These planters not only save floor space but also provide an eye-catching vertical garden display. Utilizing vertical space allows for a greater variety of herbs to be grown, maximizing the yield of the garden. Additionally, wall-mounted planters can be easily accessed for watering, pruning, and harvesting, making maintenance more convenient. Another effective strategy when planning a compact herb garden is to incorporate multi-tiered plant stands or shelving units. By stacking herbs at different levels, you can optimize sunlight exposure for each plant and create a visually appealing arrangement. This approach also enhances air circulation around the herbs, reducing the risk of pests and diseases. Furthermore, multi-tiered structures make it easier to organize different herb varieties based on their light and water requirements. To further maximize space in a small herb garden, consider integrating hanging planters or macrame plant hangers. Suspended from the ceiling or mounted on a tension rod near a window, these planters add a whimsical touch while keeping herbs within arm's reach. Hanging planters are ideal for trailing herbs like oregano and thyme, creating a cascading effect that adds depth and dimension to the garden. Additionally, they help free up valuable counter or shelf space, contributing to a clutter-free and functional living area. In conclusion, strategic planning is essential when designing a space-efficient herb garden for small living areas. Incorporating vertical planters, multi-tiered stands, and hanging planters can help maximize space, increase herb variety, and enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of the garden. By utilizing these creative solutions, you can transform even the tiniest corner of your home into a thriving herb oasis, providing fresh flavors and greenery year-round. Discovering eco-friendly ways to fertilize and nurture herbs. When it comes to fertilizing and nurturing herbs in an eco-friendly manner, composting is a highly effective and sustainable practice. Compost provides essential nutrients to the soil, promoting healthy herb growth without the need for synthetic fertilizers. By recycling organic waste such as vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells, you can create nutrient-rich compost that enhances soil structure and fertility. This eco-conscious approach not only reduces kitchen waste but also minimizes reliance on chemical-based fertilizers, contributing to a more environmentally friendly herb garden. Another eco-friendly way to nurture herbs is through companion planting, a technique that involves growing mutually beneficial plant combinations. Certain herbs, such as basil and chives, act as natural pest repellents, safeguarding neighboring herbs from harmful insects. Companion planting can help reduce the need for pesticides and herbicides, promoting a healthier and more balanced ecosystem in your garden. Additionally, pairing herbs with complementary plants can enhance soil health and biodiversity, resulting in increased herb yields and overall garden resilience. Exploring organic fertilizers like worm castings and seaweed extract is also a sustainable approach to nourishing herbs naturally. Worm castings are rich in beneficial microbes and nutrients, improving soil structure and fertility while enhancing herb flavor and aroma. Seaweed extract, on the other hand, is a mineral-rich fertilizer that boosts herb growth and resilience to environmental stressors. These organic alternatives offer a chemical-free way to feed herbs, ensuring a more environmentally conscious and nutrient-dense gardening experience. In summary, adopting eco-friendly practices for fertilizing and nurturing herbs not only benefits the environment but also enhances the health and productivity of your garden. Embracing composting, companion planting, and organic fertilizers can reduce your ecological footprint, support biodiversity, and create a harmonious herb-growing environment. By incorporating these sustainable methods into your herb gardening routine, you can cultivate a thriving and environmentally responsible garden that provides an abundant harvest of fresh and flavorful herbs. Exploring the benefits of growing and using organic herbs at home. Growing and using organic herbs at home offers a myriad of benefits beyond just adding flavor to your dishes. Organic herbs are free from synthetic pesticides and herbicides, making them safer for consumption and better for the environment. By avoiding chemical inputs, organic herb cultivation helps protect local ecosystems, water sources, and beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. Consuming organic herbs ensures that you and your family are not exposed to potentially harmful residues, promoting overall health and well-being. In addition to being safer and more environmentally friendly, organic herbs are often more flavorsome and nutrient-dense compared to conventionally grown counterparts. The absence of chemical additives allows organic herbs to develop their full range of flavors and aromas, enhancing the culinary experience and providing a sensory delight for home cooks. The concentrated nutrients in organic herbs, such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contribute to their potent medicinal properties and potential health benefits. Incorporating organic herbs into your daily diet can support immune function, digestion, and overall vitality. Furthermore, growing organic herbs at home empowers you to take control of your food supply and cultivate a deeper connection with nature. Tending to an organic herb garden provides a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction, as you witness the growth and transformation of these plants from seed to harvest. Engaging in organic herb gardening promotes mindfulness, relaxation, and mental well-being, offering a therapeutic outlet for stress relief and creative expression. By fostering a deeper appreciation for nature's cycles and rhythms, cultivating organic herbs at home can inspire a greater respect and stewardship for the natural world. In summary, the benefits of growing and using organic herbs at home extend far beyond the kitchen. Embracing organic herb cultivation supports health, sustainability, and personal well-being, while contributing to a more resilient and regenerative food system. By choosing organic herbs, you are not only elevating the flavor and nutrition of your meals but also participating in a holistic and environmentally conscious approach to gardening and consuming food. Unveiling practical tips for preserving and storing fresh herbs. Preserving and storing fresh herbs effectively is essential to maximize their shelf life and retain their flavor and aroma for future use. One practical tip for preserving fresh herbs is to wash and thoroughly dry them before storing. Moisture can lead to mold growth and spoilage, so ensuring that your herbs are completely dry helps prevent deterioration. After washing, gently pat the herbs with paper towels or use a salad spinner to remove excess water, then let them air dry completely before storing. Another useful method for preserving fresh herbs is freezing them. Freezing allows you to preserve herbs for extended periods while maintaining their color, flavor, and nutritional value. To freeze fresh herbs, chop them finely or leave them whole, then place them in an airtight container or freezer bag. You can also freeze herbs in ice cube trays with a little water or olive oil for convenient portioning when cooking. Freezing works particularly well for hardier herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage. Alternatively, you can preserve fresh herbs by drying them. Drying herbs is a traditional method that concentrates their flavors and allows you to enjoy them year-round. To air dry herbs, tie them in small bunches and hang them upside down in a dark, well-ventilated area. You can also dry herbs in the oven at a low temperature or use a dehydrator for faster results. Once the herbs are completely dry and brittle, store them in airtight containers away from light and moisture. Moreover, infusing fresh herbs into oils, vinegars, or salts is another creative way to preserve their essence and enhance culinary creations. Herb-infused oils add depth and complexity to dishes. Herb-infused vinegars impart tangy flavors to dressings and marinades, while herb-infused salts elevate the taste of seasoning blends. Infused products can be stored in sterilized bottles or jars, kept in a cool, dark place, and used to impart a burst of herbal essence to various recipes. Preserving fresh herbs through infusions not only extends their usability but also opens up a world of culinary possibilities and flavor combinations. showcasing creative DIY herb garden designs to inspire sustainability. Designing a DIY herb garden not only provides a sustainable source of fresh herbs but also allows you to express your creativity and enhance your outdoor or indoor space. One innovative design idea is creating a vertical herb garden by utilizing wall space efficiently. Vertical gardens are space-saving solutions that enable you to grow a variety of herbs in a compact area. You can use hanging planters, wall-mounted containers, or repurpose materials like pallets and gutters to build a vertical herb garden that adds visual interest to your home. Another inspiring herb garden design is incorporating different levels and tiers to create a multi-dimensional look. By using raised beds, stacked planters, or tiered shelving units, you can organize your herb garden in a visually appealing manner while maximizing sunlight exposure and accessibility. Multi-level herb gardens not only optimize growing conditions but also allow you to showcase a diverse selection of herbs in a structured and aesthetically pleasing arrangement. Furthermore, integrating functional and decorative elements into your herb garden design can enhance its overall sustainability and charm. Consider installing a rainwater harvesting system to collect water for irrigation, using eco-friendly materials for planters and structures, or adding decorative features like handmade signs, painted rocks, or fairy garden accessories. By combining practicality with creativity, you can transform your herb garden into a sustainable and beautiful space that reflects your personality and values. Additionally, customizing your herb garden to suit your needs and preferences can make the gardening experience more enjoyable and successful. Choose herbs that you frequently use in cooking or herbal remedies, select plant varieties that thrive in your climate and lighting conditions, and experiment with companion planting to improve growth and deter pests naturally. Tailoring your herb garden design to align with your lifestyle, taste, and gardening goals enables you to cultivate a sustainable and personalized oasis that inspires joy, connection with nature, and a sense of accomplishment. Growing a sustainable herb garden at home. If you're ready to take your herb garden to the next level, explore more sustainable gardening practices on Plant Care. Subscribe now for expert tips, eco-friendly solutions, and creative DIY inspiration. Let's grow together. Hit subscribe and like for your green thumb journey.